Submit yourselves therefore to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Draw nigh to God, and he will draw nigh to you. Cleanse your hands, ye sinners, and purify your hearts, ye double-minded. James 4 verses 7-8. Submit to God but resist the devil. That is the twofold action we must take in our spiritual warfare. On the one hand there is utter surrender. On the other hand there is stern, unyielding resistance. In any army, and so also in God's army, a good soldier must submit to his commander but fight tenaciously against the enemy. Prayer. O Captain of our salvation, O Commander of the army of the Lord, give us the strength to resist the temptations and attacks of Satan. Give us also the humility, love, and wisdom it takes to make an unconditional surrender to you each and every day. Amen.